guys, for those of you that are new to the gym, I know it may seem a little intimidating, but today I'm going to show you 5 pieces of equipment that can be used to work your quads, glutes, and your hamstrings. Alright guys, let's get into this. So this first machine is called a seated leg press. It's going to be used to work the front and the back parts of your upper legs, also known as your quads and your hamstrings. It's also going to work your glutes as well. So to use this machine, locate the weight pin and select your desired weight. And then once you're seated, make sure your feet are placed flat on the foot plate and about hip width apart. So your legs should form a 90-degree angle right at your knees. The second piece of equipment I would like to introduce to you is used for leg extensions, which work the quadricep muscle on the front part of your upper leg. Adjust your seat and raise the padded bar with your legs. Now this is the seated leg curl, which is going to be used to work the back part of your legs, your hamstrings, as you can see from that display. Once seated, place the back of your lower leg on top of the padded bar, place the lat pad against your thighs, and to begin to push that lever down. You should really start to feel the burn with this machine. If you see this machine in your gym, it is also used for leg curls, or what some like to call hamstring curls. This machine targets your hamstrings, calf muscles, glutes, quads, and your shins. Lay flat on your stomach with your ankles tucked under the padded bar. From there, you're going to pull your heels towards your buttocks. Having strong hamstrings is an important factor in your overall strength, balance, and stamina. This last machine is also used as a leg press. Instead of using a pen to select your desired weight, you're actually going to use plates as seen in this video. While seated, place your feet flat on the foot plate about hip width apart. Your legs should form a 90-degree angle at your knees. Just so you know, squats do have an advantage over leg press machines. Though they work the same muscle groups, they do so from slightly different angles. This leg press machine promotes lower body development and targets your quads, hamstring, glutes, and calves. We'll talk about squats in our next video. Stay tuned.